Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are demonstrating how to mount the Kuat IBEX truck rack to the Retrax XR series of tonneau covers using the IBEX tonneau cover adapter kit. This kit is designed to seamlessly adapt the Kuat IBEX truck rack to XR series Retrax tonneau covers using the bed rail track integrated into the cover. The first steps of the installation is to insert the T-nuts into the driver and passenger side T-channels. Then, install the retractable tonneau adapter rail on top of the cover rails and fasten them with the M8x12 bolts. Measure from one consistent location on the cover to ensure the driver and passenger side rails are mounted in the same location. If all looks good, fully tighten all 12 bolts to secure the adapter rails in place. Next, we will be installing 6 T-nuts per side into the channel of our Kuat IBEX truck rack. Measure twice to ensure the rack has been evenly placed on top of the Retrax cover. Then, install and fully tighten all 12 M8x16 bolts to secure the IBEX in place. And with that, our installation is complete. If you have any questions about any of the products shown in this video or the installation process, let us know in the comment section of this video or reach out to us directly using the contact info at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.